This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can link slides in PowerPoint. In my last video, I showed you how to link slides together in Google Slides, and here we're going to do this in PowerPoint. I have the same slideshow here, and I want to click on this image of a bear and have it go to the slide with the bear, and the same with the rabbit and the tiger. What you do is you click on the image, then you select Insert, then you select Link. When you click on that, you're going to have the option of linking to a file or a web page, an email address, or something in this document, and you want to select this document. Here, you will find a list of your slides, and you'll have these slides here as the default: the first slide, the last slide, the next slide, etc. And you can click on this arrow to see the other slides that you have in your presentation. So if I want this slide to go to the bear, I click on bear, then I select OK. And then when I enter my slideshow, when I click on the bear, it will go to the slide with the bear. And you can repeat that process with the other animals, and you can also use a keyboard shortcut, Command or Control K, depending on what type of computer that you have, and then repeat that same process. So I want the rabbit to appear here, and so now when I click on the rabbit, it will go to the rabbit, and the same thing with the tiger. I'll do this manually again by clicking on Insert and Link, and then clicking on tiger. Then if you want to be able to go back to the beginning of the presentation from the detailed slide about the animals, just highlight the text that you want to link and then perform the keyboard shortcut or select Insert Hyperlink and do the same thing. Since this is my first slide, I'm just going to click First Slide, and now that is linked to the first slide. I will repeat this process for the remaining slides. So I want all of these slides to go back to the beginning to make this presentation interactive. So now when I enter presentation mode, when I click on the bear, it goes to the bear, and then I can click here to go back to the beginning. If I click on the rabbit, it goes to the rabbit. Then I can click here to go back to the beginning, and the same with the tiger. So this video shows you how to link slides to each other in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.